Okay, it is compost time. I usually like to get this done a little bit earlier, but I had enough compost to work with. So these are wood chips I acquired last fall from all of the trees that we took down. We had everything chipped. So I am going to move these into the end bin, and then this bin is going to be moved into here. And what's really nice about, I built this system a long time ago, but all of these move. So as I move down, I can slide those back. The side ones also slide out. So I'm not lifting, I'm just literally sliding things back and forth. All that, it gets pretty heavy because it's wet. So then all of that will just get slid over and moved into this bin. So I am going to get, I'm filling my wheelbarrow to fill the end tank. Oh, the cavalry is here. Hi, Fern. So these are the days when I realize I'm 70 years old. But all those wood chips were moved from there to there. And now I can move, this is the current working pile. So I will flip this into there. These boards will get pulled back. These boards will, some of them will be removed so I can get to the compost because underneath there's good compost. But I'm going to go down pretty far. I do this twice a year, usually early spring. It didn't happen this early spring. I put the fence up instead. And then I do it again in late fall. But the biggest reason I have the compost pile here and the reason I need to flip it is I need to disinfect and clean out my chicken coop. So all the litter will go in the bottom here. It'll get mixed in with all these greens because the baby chicks need to go in the coop this week. So now I had all this cement block as a barrier, so I couldn't get through. My wheelbarrow couldn't get through to that spot. So now I can move forward with cleaning the chicken coop out. It's just when you live on a small piece of property or a small yard, you really do have to do things very methodically. And so sometimes it's a little more work, but I still think it's better than being spread out. I don't have a bobcat. I don't have any big machinery. These are my tools. Grass clippings are currently being recycled into beds for mulch for the summer. And if they're extras, then they do get composted. But this is for kitchen waste and scraps, no meats, no fats, just cleaning vegetables and yard trimmings. And you can see I have watermelon and I have tomatoes growing out of here that got cut down last year. I usually don't put tomatoes in here, but if they're not diseased, then they do go in here. So I'm going to go get a really nice cold drink and get off my feet for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm back on the compost pile this morning. This needs to get flipped. We've got rain coming in. The humidity is off the charts. Unbelievable. If you're doing succession planting, plant your crops first and then get to the compost pile. I planted beans this morning. And so hopefully, because I've already harvested broccoli, Romanesco broccoli, and cauliflower. So now I would like to get this done before noon. So what's really nice about this system, these all slide out. So we're going to slide those out. Hi, Fern. This just makes it so much easier to transition into the next bed. All right, this one's still pretty full, so we're going to wait to pull that one out. Done. What a morning. So this is all compost. Everything over here still needs to be composted. While I was working, I just thought I'll go ahead and clean out the chicken coop. So all new shavings in the chicken coop. These are from last winter. And then I mowed the inside of the run area, and those grass clippings went in. And then I will go in and auger it out and get some air in, probably in about, a month. I have a compost thermometer, so I am going to put that in here and just see what the temperature is, see how hot we can get it. But the boards are put back, wood chips are where they should be. This was a great 2 days. All the compost that was left in there has been put in a bin with a lid on it, so I have probably about a 25-gallon garbage can full of compost that I can use. This is all compost. I could dump that into here. That might happen, but that is much older. And then this bucket is wood ash and every once in a while when I turn this, I sprinkle some wood ash over it. So that's been a great morning. I'm going to go in. I am sweating bullets. So our humidity is in the red zone. So our dew point is tropical. So we are now in full-blown summer. I'm going to put my tools away, go in and get some watermelon and a cold drink, and then I've got to go get some wood shavings. I think the baby chicks are going to go in tonight. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We're supposed to have storms. I don't want to put them out in a storm. But I think everything will be washed. It's ready to go. They could go in if they want to go in. So that's it. I am so happy this is done. I'll revisit it in the fall.